Hi guys, how you doing? Hope everything is going well around. Today I'm so glad, I'm so happy really because I have seen some sales in my clickbank account. This is the reason I'm doing this video to share with you my result. Not that big result, not $1,000, just like two sales and a couple of dollars, but I'm so happy because finally I have made some money online after a disappointed feeling. I was really like saying that it's impossible to make money online, but no, that's not true. You can make money online once you got to know the way. You can scale up and then you can start making your way. So let me go directly to my bank account. I mean ClickBank. Let me log in. As you can see here, guys, that I have made like two sales so far. One was like 20 days ago, and yesterday I have made another sale. It's not that big, as you can see here, just like $50. Okay, guys, I will refresh the page again. It's not like a fake or using program or something, so I will just refresh the page. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's not a fake, as you can see here, two sales already. Why I'm making this video? I am making this video to help the people which is in my place, which is they dream to make some money online, and I will not hide any secrets. Frankly, it's not a secret, but this is what I have used and this is what is giving me sales. I'm using something called traffic from solo ad. Solo ad, in summary, it's a place to buy trusted traffic from trusted company or platform. So I will show you today the place which is I have bought some clicks, cheap clicks, and also they guaranteed to get sale, and this is you cannot find in any place. I mean all the companies are offering you a high quality traffic from top tier, from USA, from Canada, from UK, but no one can guarantee sale because really it's very difficult to control the behavior of buyer. It depends on also on what exactly you're offering or what exactly you are promoting. I will show you my secret. Now it's not a secret, it's already in public. As you can see, guys, this is the place which is I have bought some clicks. When you access to the website, you will find this word: congratulations, you have found the source of solo ad that convert, and really it's convert high quality traffic and leads for your online business. This is a new, I never seen this before. It's a new deal, I think. Today only, if you buy one solo ad, you will get second solo ad free. July 2008 solo ad special. Yeah, get double the clicks on any solo ad you purchase. This is not the deal, guys. When I purchased from this website, it was mentioned only this line: if you don't get sale, then you get a free second solo ad. This is not the deal because anyone can compensate you with another solo ad. This is not a deal. Here is the deal, guys. If you still did not get sale, then you get a refund. You get your money back, guys. So that's frankly what makes me feeling secure, because they guaranteed sale and they guaranteed that if no sales, you get your money back. You are protected, guys. So you can just give a try. A couple of dollars, you can buy some quality traffic and just give a test. If you are not satisfied, don't worry, your money is safe. You will get your money back. So let me scroll down and show you. This is some screenshots, testimonial also, and how it works. It's just like easy 3 steps. Okay, you choose the package, you just insert your affiliate link and then click submit, and that's it. they will do the rest. And this is some testimonial from their customers. They're getting sale, I believe. All of them, they are getting sale and obtain as well. And they're getting extra clicks. For example, like this Pisla Sitha, she put 500 clicks. She got 604, 64 optional rate. Tier 1, all the traffic are tier 1 from USA. And then she's putting some comments, and she got sale here also. Hunter boy, he got also like sale. Yes, sale, yes. Okay guys, so this is the packages. They have 3 packages. This is the one which is I bought, the first one, this one. It was like just like a test, not necessary to go for. They have a deal today because when I bought the package it was $50, and today they make it like a discount, 50% discount, I think. Yeah, 25. So 400 plus unique clicks first year, USA. You get the price is 25. If you want 1,000 click, instead of $79, they discount it to be 50, and it's a good deal. But I'm not recommending these packages. I just encouraging you to try this one, just as a test. Just test. $25, and your $25 is secured and guaranteed. Again, here they repeat it. If no sale, you get your money back. Okay guys, so this is my secret, which is not secret anymore. Thank you very much indeed for watching my video, and if I got more sales I will update you. If you bought this traffic and you get sale, please leave your comments and tell me the progress, and I wish you all the best guys.